Start.
So I have bought this new phone from
Amazon.
Amazon. This is okay. Let's unpack it. So this is MI.
What is this?
This is
This is manual, sir.
yes.
Okay,
This is
okay.
something I think Diwali.
Really gift. Oh
They
my
have.
god. Oh my god.
They have just given a beautiful card.
Yes.
So this is what we are having. Redmi Note 12 5G.
Wow, 5G.
5G.
Nice, nice, sir.
Let it unpack it first. I think I need something sharp.
So guys, we are doing unboxing of Redmi.
Note
What is the
12,
model name, sir?
Redmi Note 12 5G.
Oh, Redmi Note 12 5G. It is one of the latest model. Just in this Dasara time, they launched this model. Now we are doing unboxing.
Sorry.
I am very much excited to see the look of the new mobile.
वो नहीं होता सर एक गए
So this is very good packing actually. I just lost my pen snip. Now we are using bike key for open the
Thank you, sir.
mobile, unboxing the mobile. Now this is the key moment.
This is what we are.
Wow, guys. Now we are very much excited. Now
What
this
is
is
this? This is.
this is a temper glass. Maybe
Okay.
if I am not wrong.
So we are having back
Oh,
cover.
back cover, back cover. Yeah,
This is the back cover.
this is the back cover.
Okay.
Nice back cover. It is free with the mobile.
And this is simple.
Okay. By using these things, we can, I think, insert the SIM in the mobile. Am I right, sir?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So this is voice. This is
Wow.
the phone.
This is actually mobile
And we are
And-
having in the box a charger and a
and a C-type charger. Am I right?
yes, it's a C-type charger.
Okay.
We are having a C-type.
Wow, very good. And 33 watt adapter is also there.
So
33. Am I right?
It's
Yeah,
a
33.
fast charging.
Fast charging. Okay.
Yes, it's a fast charging adapter.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, nice, sir.
So let's start with your phone.
Guys, just see the look of the mobile. It is very exciting.
48 megapixel fully AI camera.
Wow.
That's something
Nice.
again very beautiful.
Nice.
So overall weight of your phone is 0.81 weight per kg. I don't know the
Means
exact weight. Body
100,
weight is
160 gram
0.650 grams.
grams.
Let's on it.
Now we are going to set up the mobile. Guys, you can see it is new model of Redmi Note 12 5G. What is its cost?
I think
think
on
around
Diwali,
25,000, I
yes,
think.
not 20. It's somewhat around 20 or
Oh, discounted there, no? Okay, we will check it in the mobile.
the print
Packet.
price is. So this is what we are having on a print 21,999. But on a
Okay,
sale,
okay.
I think we have got it in 18 or 19,000.
Okay. Now it's open. Now we need to give the credential to open this model. So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching my video.
Everything is fine.
Everything
So,
is fine, sir. Sir, last bye, sir.
bye.
Guys, please purchase this mobile. MI is one of the very good company among some few good mobile company. This is actually my second mobile in MI which I am using. Thank you.